Friends. An officer checks the girl first. Then the officer checks her bag, and the machine starts beeping. The officer asks the girl to show the items in her bag. The girl takes out a box. But when the officer checks it, there is nothing inside. Then the girl takes out a pencil case. The officer checks it, and the machine beeps again. The officer thinks it is just pencils, but when he scans it with the machine makes a sound again. The officer thinks the machine is broken. Guys, one side mom, other side money. Choose mom. Like this video and comment, love you mom. Like and subscribe, click the remix button and choose use this sound. Press for 2 seconds, magic will happen. Then the officer allows the girl to go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, the girl takes out her pencil case. Inside it, there is a pencil wallpaper, but it is actually her phone. The girl takes out the phone and starts using it.